Hello language learners, welcome back to Easy English. Today, I dare you to come out of your wishful thinkings of learning English language and accept a challenge of becoming a successful and fluent English language speaker in 2024. Now, how is that possible? I know there are so many questions popping in your mind that how am I supposed to become a successful English language speaker in just 1 year when I have been struggling to learn English for years and years. So I'm here to help. I will give you 5 simple tasks that you will do throughout the year 2024, and I guarantee that you will become a successful and fluent English language speaker in a single year. So, do you accept the challenge? Very good. Let's find out the tasks. So let me tell you how you are going to do this. As we know, 2024 is a leap year and you will have 366 days. And I want you to complete these tasks every single day without any pause. So the first thing you need to do is to speak English for 5 minutes every single day. Let me make it easy for you. We have 24 hours in a day. If we get to the minutes, we have 1440 minutes in 24 hours. It's not a big deal to speak English for only 5 minutes, and I guarantee you that it will bring your English speaking skill to the next level. The second task you will be doing throughout the year is to listen English language only for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, I don't suggest anything that you should listen to this, you should watch TV series or movies or what. Just listen English in any form. Just make your ears habitual to English language. The third task you will be doing is to read one single page of any book on earth you want to read. I don't suggest you a specific book, a specific genre. Just pick up a book and read one page every single day. It will help you get vocabulary, it will settle your sentence structures, and it will actually help you learn English language easily. The fourth thing is to write only 100 words every single day. When you are going to your bed, just make a journal of your day, or write about the things that you have listened, or you can write about any topic. There are so many topics, like you can write about your relations with other people, you can write about your how do you spend your day, you can write about a particular topic, your vacations, your friends, your family, whatever you want to write. Just write 100 words and it's not a big deal. Last but not least, the fifth task that you will be doing throughout the year is to get one single word every single day. Only one word. I'm not talking about the lists that you need to memorize to learn English language and to become a fluent English language speaker. I just want you to pick up one word with its context. And I want you to use that word in different situations where that word fits. And if you want to add colors into your language, I suggest you to pick up one idiom every single day as well, because it will make your language more, natural and more colorful. Now, if you accept this challenge and you speak English for 5 minutes, you listen to English language for 5 to 10 minutes, you read one page of any book every single day, and you write 100 words and you pick one word or one idiom every single day, you will become a fluent and successful English language speaker in the year 2024. I hope this video will help you become a fluent English language speaker in 2024. Thanks for watching this video.